Hey Todd, what is your hometown?
My hometown is San Francisco.
Oh, nice. Is your town beautiful?
Yes, San Francisco is very beautiful. It has a nice view of the ocean.
Sounds nice. Is your town clean?
It's pretty clean. Sometimes it's dirty. Some places are dirty, but usually the city is clean.
Oh. Is San Francisco dangerous?
No, it's not too dangerous. Sometimes we have crime, but it's safe.
Great. Is your town expensive?
Yes, San Francisco is very expensive. Everything is expensive. Food is expensive. Housing is expensive. Shopping is expensive. Everything.
Oh, really? Is San Francisco famous?
Yes, it's very famous. In America, it's famous for its bridge. We have the Golden Gate Bridge. It's the world's most famous bridge, I think.
I know that bridge. Is your town hot?
Never. San Francisco is never hot. It's never super cold, but it's never hot. It's always warm or cool.
Sounds great. Is San Francisco interesting?
I think so. It's a very interesting city. We have people from everywhere, and we have good food. We have nature nearby, and we have interesting buildings.
Wow, I'd like to go there.
Ooh, you should. What about your city? What's your city?
My city is Chicago.
Ooh, Chicago, Chicago. Is your city beautiful?
Yes, it's very beautiful with lots of tall buildings and a big lake.
Oh, nice. Is Chicago clean?
Some parts of Chicago are clean and other parts are a little dirty.
How about dangerous? Is Chicago dangerous?
Similarly, some parts are dangerous and some parts are safe.
Yeah, San Francisco is the same.
Hmm,
I think every American city is the same.
I think that's true.
Most places are safe, but some places are dangerous.
Right.
Is Chicago expensive?
Yes, because it's such a big city, almost everything is expensive.
Oh,
Food, attractions, parking, entertainment, everything.
mm, sounds like San Francisco.
I think so. A little similar.
Is it hot?
It can be hot in the summer, usually July or August. It gets hot sometimes.
Is it interesting?
Yes, of course. Chicago is very interesting. We have many museums and things to do, and we also have nature. At the lake, you can go and enjoy the day on the beach.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
Is Chicago by the ocean?
it's not by the ocean, it's by a really big lake called Lake Michigan.
Oh,
What
maybe.
about San Francisco? Is it by the ocean?
Yes, San Francisco is on the ocean. It's on the Pacific
Mm,
Ocean.
right.
So we have really nice beaches.
Do you like the beach?
I do, but the beaches in San Francisco are a little cold.
Oh,
In Los Angeles, they're warm.
mm.
But Los Angeles is not interesting, and it's expensive, and it's not
Right,
beautiful,
right.
so I don't like Los Angeles.
So we should stick with San Francisco.
Or Chicago.
Yeah.
Okay. So Meg, are you busy? Do you have a busy week?
Yes, I usually have a busy week.
Yeah, me too. So what day is your busiest day?
My busiest day is Thursday.
Ooh, why?
On Thursday, I have to work from early in the morning until around 6 p.m. I have to teach classes. And then after that, I need to do my shopping at the supermarket.
Oh, okay. I do my shopping on Saturday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, always on Saturday.
What else do you do on Saturday?
On Saturday, I do all my boring activities.
Like what?
I do my shopping, I do my laundry, I run errands,
Mm-hmm.
I clean my apartment. I do boring stuff because on Sunday, I like to have fun.
Ah, what do you like to do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I often go hiking, or I go to the park, or I go to the beach. I go to the beach almost every Sunday.
Wow, that sounds really fun.
Yeah, the beach is beautiful. Nobody is there. It's really nice.
Yeah, it sounds great.
How about you? What do you do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I always go to church in the morning, and sometimes I'll have lunch with friends after church.
Oh, cool.
And then I usually clean as well Sunday evening before the new week starts.
Now, do you work Monday to Friday?
Yes, I work every weekday. What about you?
I work Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I don't work Wednesday.
Oh, what's your schedule like on Wednesdays?
On Wednesdays, I usually stay at home
Mm-hmm.
and I relax. Sometimes I go shopping. Sometimes I go to the park. Sometimes I prepare lessons because I'm a teacher.
So sometimes you do a little work on Wednesdays.
Yes, but I do work at my house.
All
I
right.
never go to school on Wednesday
Why not?
because it's a day off.
Hmm.
So, how about Monday? Are you busy on Monday?
I'm usually busy on Monday because my schedule is similar to Thursday. So I have to teach class until around 6 p.m.
Yeah, Mondays are busy for me too. Mondays are busy. Thursdays also are busy. Tuesday and Friday are not so busy.
Hmm. Your schedule sounds a little similar to mine.
Yeah, well, we're both teachers.
That's true.
What about activities? Do you do any activities during the week?
During the week, if I have free time, sometimes I will watch a TV show or a movie, and I also go to Japanese language class.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so sometimes I have homework, so I have to do my Japanese language homework some nights. What about you?
I play futsal on Tuesday nights. So every Tuesday I play futsal with my friends for 2 hours, and that's fun. And then sometimes on Friday I meet my friends for dinner.
Hmm, that sounds good.
And I also like sports, so I usually watch sports on TV on Monday.
What sports do you usually watch on Monday?
I watch everything. I watch baseball, I watch basketball, I watch American football, and I watch soccer. So I
Mm.
come home and I watch a video of a game from Saturday or Sunday. So I don't watch sports on Saturday or Sunday. I watch the video later on Monday night.
Is it better that way?
Yeah, usually I don't check the internet, so I don't know the score.
Ah, well, sounds like you have a busy schedule.
You too. So, Abidemi, let's talk about languages.
Sure,
So, you are from Nigeria, and Nigeria has many languages, correct?
that's true, yes.
How many languages can you speak?
I would say that I can speak one language very well,
Me too.
and that would be English. But I speak other languages fairly well. Yoruba, which is a Nigerian language, French, and a little bit of Japanese as well.
Now, you are Canadian also, and in Canada, students study French, correct?
That's true,
Okay.
yes.
Do you speak French often in Canada?
While I was living there, I spoke it a lot more, Yes.
Do you like French?
I love French. I love learning languages.
French, I think, is very hard for some people, myself included, because the pronunciation of some words is very different than the pronunciation of American English. So I think it's funny that there are some words in French that look exactly the same as words in English, but we pronounce them completely differently. For example, I will say the word in English, and you say the same word in French, okay?
I will try.
For example, impossible.
Impossible.
Right, so that is so interesting. Again, impossible.
Impossible.
And they're spelled the same, correct?
That's true.
Yeah. How about reservation?
Réservation.
That's so cool.
I have never thought of it like that before, Todd. But you're right. They look the same, but the pronunciations are different.
I think it's a trick because we see the word and we know how to say it one way, but we have to say it a different way.
That's true.
Yeah, we just can't do that well.
That's true.
Yeah. So you can speak Uruba?
Yoruba.
Yoruba.
Yes.
How do you
Yes.
say, how are you in Yoruba?
Báwo ni.
Oh, that's so cool. Again?
Báwo ni.
Baori?
Báwo ni.
Oh, wow. That's so cool.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have you ever taught that language?
No, never. I don't think too many people want to learn it outside of Nigeria.
I think in the future, more people will want to learn unique languages.
I hope you're right.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe.
What language do you want to learn in the future?
I have many that if I had more time, I would like to learn. I'm interested in Japanese, of course. I live in Japan now, so I would like to speak it better. I would also like to learn Mandarin, Russian, Hausa, another Nigerian language, Spanish, and maybe a couple of others.
Yeah, there's so many languages I want to learn. I want to learn Spanish too. I can speak some Thai and Japanese because I lived as a teacher in both countries. But I want to learn a language that has the same alphabet. So I can read Thai, but not very well. And I can read Japanese, but not very well. But I want to learn a language where it's easy to read and see what the word is. You know, because in Thai, you can't do that. In Japanese, you can't do that.
I know what you mean. It would make it easier to learn the language.
But in Russian, you can't do that,
That's true.
right? It's completely different.
That's true. But they have alphabets that are the same. So you just have to decode them.
A little bit, yeah. We have the phrase, it's all Greek to me, which means you have no idea. Anyway, thanks a lot, Abidemi.
Thank you, Todd.